The AI most businesses use today is a dependency. The language model lives on someone else's servers. Your data leaves the building every time a query is made. The corporation that owns the language model sets the rules and changes them whenever they choose. For most businesses, that is an acceptable risk. For organizations where sovereignty and output reliability are not negotiable, such as finance, healthcare, law, government, and defense, it is a disqualifying condition. So we built something different. Most of what gets called AI today is a wrapper, a prompt engineered around a language model, tools bolted on, validation patched in. Governance is a hope. This is not that. There is no outside corporate-owned language model running the show. There is a coordination of governed specialists. Each one is task-specific, doing exactly one job. Between every one of them sits deterministic code that decides what passes. Not a language model. Code. The specialists do not govern themselves. The code governs them. 6 layers, 1 bounded perimeter: intent, knowledge, reasoning, verification, expression, response. Between every layer, the governance inspects the output, validates against the contract, and decides whether to pass forward or to send it back to the specialist with the specific reason it failed. The system can correct its own failures. Once again, pure code, deterministic. Every specialist is local. Every specialist is replaceable. The whole system runs inside your infrastructure. The knowledge layer is where your information lives and stays. Each domain you deploy gets its own knowledge specialist, trained on your sources, retrieving from your sources, and only your sources. Legal documents, technical manuals, classified databases, field intelligence, whatever the deployment requires. When your knowledge changes, the specialist updates. No retraining of the full system, no external data transfer. Your knowledge stays inside. By the time the final response is rendered, every decision has already been made. The intent is classified. The knowledge is retrieved. The claims are verified. The reasoning is checked. The response specialist does not decide what is true. It renders what was already verified. There are no hallucinations, because the affordance does not exist. The specialist at the end of the pipeline cannot fabricate beyond what it was handed. The system speaks in the voice of its deployment. Military operators get military cadence. Medical staff get clinical register. Financial institutions get a business professional's voice. The reasoning core stays the same: auditable, governed, grounded. The voice adapts to the room. Every output is auditable. Every claim maps to a verified internal source. Nothing reaches the response specialist that has not already been checked. And because every interaction stays inside your perimeter, every interaction makes your system better. The data your organization generates can be used to fine-tune your specialists. Upgrades drop in. No external dependency. No data transfer. A system that improves on your terms. So, don't be dependent on an outside company for your organization's holdings. With our system, it's your infrastructure, your information, your sovereign cognitive system. Citadel AI Systems. Intelligence, beholden to no one.